Welcome to my channel. This is Career Master Muhammad Mudassir Alam. I am here with an exclusive exclusive update about the payment process of Central University of South Bihar UG course. In the video, I am going to share all the details, so watch the video carefully. First of all, you log in into the website of Central University of South Bihar, www.cusb.ac.in. Once you will log in into the website, you can see the admission tab here. You can find the admission tab here as well. Once you will click this link, this page will open. Here you can see the details regarding UG courses. The first notice is regarding the first cutoff on undergraduate programs for the academic year 22-23. This is the latest notice. You can see the earlier notices here, and these are the information regarding the UG courses, the documents required, the undertaking and everything. So once you will click this link, you can see the notice. I am clicking the link. You can see the notice is opening here. The notice was issued on 28th of September 2022. As you can see, I am scrolling the notice. This was regarding the cutoff of a 5-year integrated BA LLB honors. You can see the cutoff for UR was 750, OBC 648.56, SC 474.81, ST 231.37, EWS 659.10. PWD no cutoff, CW no cutoff. No category is available for these courses. This course BA LLB honors. For 4-year integrated BA B.Ed, UR 1001.88, OBC 900.99, SC 600.67, ST 466.39, EWS 890.30, PWD 458.05. No any candidate has got the opportunity for CW categories. Name of the program of study 4-year integrated BSc B.Ed. You can see here unreserved 855.59, OBC 793.08, SC 579.19, ST 339.24, EWS 753.14, PWD 522, CW 384.26. Here you can see the cutoff score. This is the information regarding the cutoff score. The aggregate of normalized score is considered for this cutoff. If your marks is equal to the cutoff or more than the cutoff, you are eligible for fee submission for the first round of admission. How you can submit the fee? You can submit the fee between 30th of September to 6th of October. You can click this link. Once you will click this link, you can see this is the portal. You can here you will see that once you will click, and you can see here you can log in here, and the payment link will appear at the top. From that link you have to deposit the requisite fee as per your courses. For more details regarding CUET UG and CUSB admission, you can visit my channel Career Master. Here you can see the videos made on various topics. You can see the videos here. You can see the videos by clicking the links, and all your doubts can be cleared if you will watch my videos. That's all in this video. Keep on visiting my channel. You will get the latest update about CUET, UG as well as PG here on this channel. Thanks a lot. All the best for your career. All the best for admission in Central University of South Bihar and other participating universities of CUET 2022.